Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 2176, count equal and divisible pairs in an array in JavaScript. Alright, so basically what we're doing is we are getting this, what we're being asked for is we have this array nums that we're given in this variable k2, which equals 2 in this case. And we need to look at every single pair of numbers, right? Let's just do this real quickly. 3 and 1, 3 and 2, yeah, I'll go ahead and do this. 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 1, 3 and 3, and 1 and 2, oops, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 3. So basically, I just went 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, so on and so forth, and 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So just start with the first two. You'd have to deal with this with the rest of them. I'm not going to do that because it's going to take too much time. But what they're asking for is to count the number of occurrences where this number equals that number, and their indices. If you multiply their indices, it equals, or if you multiply their indices, it's divisible by k, right? So let's look at this. So 3 and 1, obviously those aren't the same. 3 and 2, obviously those aren't the same. 3 and 2, those aren't the same. These aren't the same. Speed this up. 3 and 3 are the same. So now we need to check to see if the index of this and this multiplied together is divisible by k, which is 2. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so 0 times 6 is 0. That's divisible by 2. So there you go. There's one occurrence of it. Right? And then we go through here, we do the same thing, 1, 2, 1, right? So on and so forth. We have this one situation where we have 1 and 1. And so now let's check their indices. So we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And divided by 2, that does not equal 0, so that does not add to the count. Okay? So obviously you have to go through all the numbers, but that's the explanation. Let's grab this, move over to CodePen, and solve it. Oops, what are we doing? Sorry. Alright, so first thing we need to do is create a variable called count. This is going to keep track of how many times those pairs meet this condition. Right? I'm going to have to create a nested for loop. So that we can grab every single pair. We're going to say if I is less than nums dot length -1 because we don't need to go to the last one, right? Because this outer loop, we want to stop here because it's only checking one pair at that point. Create an inner loop. And we'll set this to i+1. J is less than stop length. J plus. And then all we need to do in here, well, actually, for it, let's return the count. So here we just have an if statement. This is if nums at I equals nums at j. So there's the first condition, right? And I times j modulus k equals 0. So those are the two conditions. If that's the case, we increment count. And there you go. We got 4, which is what we expected. Let's copy all this. Move to Leetcode. Format our code and submit. And good to go. Alright. Hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.